In the heart of the desert, a vibrant spectacle unfolded, drawing in fascinated onlookers from far and wide. A camel fair was in full swing with these magnificent creatures taking center stage as the sun cast its golden glow. A group of camels congregated, seemingly engrossed in lovely conversation. Their soft grunts and gentle humming filled the air, punctuated by ocean bursts of laughter. The atmosphere was infectious, with the camels exuding an unmistakable air of joy and camaraderie. As the crowd watched in wonder, the camels began to sway to an unheard rhythm, their elegant necks bobbing up and down. It was as if they are dancing, lost in the thrill of the moment. Children squealed with delight, clinged to their parents' hands as they inched closer to the action. The sound of camel bells and the resulting of colorful fabrics added to the sensory tapestry, weaving a spell of enchantment over all who witnessed this magical scene. The camels, resplendent in their vibrant adornments, seemed to be releving in the attention the paused gracefully. Their long eyelashes waiting copiously as they munched on succulent treats proffered by their doting owners. The air was thick with the scent of exotic species and the sweet aroma of fresh whey, further enthralling the senses. As the day wore on, the excitement only intensified, with the camel's fair morphing into an unforgettable celebration of life, laughter, and the incredible bond between human and animals. The camels too seemed reluctant to end the festivals, lingering in the deserted fairgrounds as if savoring the lingering magic of the night. Their owners smiled knowingly, awed that their beloved animals had forged incredible bonds with the people who had gathered to celebrate their majesty. As the last of the crowd disappeared and we